start. The dispute in respect of renewal of the registration of the society was subject matter of consideration before the assistant registrar, culminating in an order dated 28/5/2008 stop. Under the said order, the assistant registrar held that the renewal of the society was due, it had to be renewed, but such renewal had to be issued in favor of the respondent to the present petition stop. The earlier renewal of the society issued in favor of the petitioner was set aside stop. This order came to be challenged before the High Court by means of civil miscellaneous writ petition number 28431 of 2008 stop. The writ petition was dismissed with the observation that the petitioner may file an appeal against the order dated 28/5/2008 under section 12D of the Societies Registration Act stop. Against the order of the writ court, a special appeal number 839 of 2008 was filed by the present petitioner stop. Initially, an interim order was granted, but ultimately the appeal was also dismissed. YD judgment and order dated 2/11/2010 stop. The division bench observed that the petitioner are being relegated to the remedy of statutory appeal, however, they can raise all the points on merits, raised in the special appeal stop. It is the case of the petitioner that the appeal itself was not maintainable, as there had been no cancellation of the registration of the society stop. Therefore, the order dated 28/5/2008 will not fall within the four corners of section 12D(1) of the Societies Registration Act, so as to become appealable stop. The petitioner, however, in compliance to the order of the division bench, filed an appeal before the commissioner stop. The commissioner under the order impugned has upheld the order of the assistant registrar dated 28/5/2008 stop. It is against these two orders that the present writ petition has been filed stop. This court made a pointed inquiry from the counsels appearing for the parties that once renewal was granted in favor of the society but to be issued to one party under order dated 28/5/2008, can it be said that an order has been passed cancelling the registration or its renewal favorable to section 12D(1) of the Societies Registration Act, so as to make it applicable under section 12D(1). Both the counsels agree that such an order cannot be said to be an order under section 12D(1) stop. Therefore, in the facts of the case, this court has no hesitation to record that no appeal under section 12D(2) was maintainable stop. The order dated 28/5/2008 has to be read in two parts. A. The renewal of registration of the society being granted, and B. The renewal certificate is to be issued to one of the parties, namely respondents in the present petition, and the renewal certificate handed over to the petitioner that was cancelled stop. It is needless to emphasize that renewal of the society is always done in favor of the society and not in favor of any particular office bearer stop. Issuance of certificate in favor of the particular person is only a ministerial act stop. In this set of circumstances, this court hold that the order dated 28/5/2008 and the order passed by the commissioner insofar as it directs that the renewal of the society be granted is upheld, but the part of the order dated 28/5/2008 which directs that renewal certificate be issued in favor of the particular office bearer is unsustainable so far as the latter part of the direction of the order dated 28/5/2008 is concerned, it is held that the same is not favorable to section 12D(1) of the Societies Registration Act, and it is hereby quashed stop. The dispute with regard to the right to manage the society or being the lawful manager, office bearer in facts of the case needs to be examined by the prescribed authority under section 25(1) of the Society's Registration Act, stop. Accordingly, the repetition is partly allowed, stop. The order dated 28/5/2008 may be read as an order for renewal of the society done in favor of the society and not in favor of the particular person.